In a world where education is evolving rapidly, Blackboard is leading the charge, shaping the future of higher education daily. Blackboard isn't just a software provider, they're transforming how institutions manage student life and facilitate remote learning effectively. To understand this transformation, we spoke to Rebecca Smart, who guides the Program Management Office at Blackboard. She emphasized the importance of structured project management using teamwork to develop new features and training programs efficiently. As Blackboard expanded, they recognized the need for tailored educational services, adapting quickly to the demand from colleges and universities. Initially, teams relied on outdated methods for project management, causing confusion and slowdowns across departments, highlighting a critical inefficiency. Rebecca took the initiative, leading a review process that ultimately favored teamwork, renowned for its intuitive features and affordability. The integration of teamwork started small and gradually spread through the company as other departments witnessed its benefits firsthand. Since implementing teamwork, collaboration has become effortless, allowing teams to stay organized and focused without getting bogged down. With improved communication channels and clear project outlines, every team member now understands their role, driving progress with purpose.